How to watch live on TikTok without letting them know. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can watch live on TikTok without letting them know. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. Open up your TikTok. After you open up your TikTok, make sure that you're logged in into your account. So after you logged in, whenever you try to watch a live by simply going on the home page, and by tapping on the top left live button, what will happen is live will open up and it will show you the username of the people that are joined in, and you will be included in that. Whenever you join a live, it will just say you have joined a live and it will show you. After showing the username, they will basically get to know it was you. So if you don't want that happening, what you can do is you can tap on your profile on the top here. You will see a small drag down button as well. After you tap on it, you can tap on add account. What you can do is you can actually add a new which does not contain your name. Simply create a new account with your email, Facebook, Apple, and after you create a new account, make sure the name to associate with you. And whenever you join live using that very account, people will not know it's you. And yeah, that's the basic trick for it. All for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.